So in this tutorial on CLO3D, we are going to be creating a working animation. But this particular tutorial, you don't need to use Mixamo or you don't need to use Blender. All you just need is CLO3D and you'll be able to create your own working animation, which is going to be quick and fast. So before we continue, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell to get more videos. So as you can see, my character is fully dressed up. So the next thing we are going to do is to go and get our working animation. So what you do is to go to your Chrome or go to your browser and search for connect.clo-set.com. Just open an account there. Open an account from connect.clo-set.com. This is the link here. And then when you sign up for this account, the next thing you need to do is to search for working. So when you search for working, then you can see some of them are free and some of them are paid. So the next thing we'll do is to select this. We need to sort them out. We need the free one. So select this and deselect paid so that it can reload and show us the free one. So as you can see here, we have the MV2 catwalk in place, and we also have MV2 work in place. So you can select anyone you feel is okay. Let's select this one from Connect. So just select this icon as add to cart, then add to cart. Then you go to your cart, select this, and then you check this and you place your order. So the next thing you can do is to download. So select download. So this is the file here, and which is done downloading. So let me go to my downloads coming. So I'm going to go to my download and I'm going to select this. Then I'm going to copy this, copy the motion file, copy, and I'm going to select this plus icon. Then you have to look for the location of your motion file on CLO3D. I know where mine is. So this is mine. This is what I use. This is asset. So this is my asset. So my own file is on my PC OS user public document clo.asset. So you can try this if this is also the same way you can get the location of where your CLO3D asset or file are saved. So when I select this, I'm going to select avatar coming. Okay, so avatar, I'm going to select avatar. I'm going to select male. Then I'm going to select motion. This is motion here. Then I'm going to select Control V. Yes, that's because I already have the file here. You can see MV working in place. So let me just replace it. So what I'll do now is to go back to my CLO. So when I go back to my CLO, let's cancel this. Let's go back to avatar, and let me go back to male. Let me go back to motion. Yes, and let me search for working. So this is the one we downloaded here. So this is MV2 working in place, and you select it. Then you select OK. So next thing we are going to do is go to our animation. So this animation file is about 209 frames. So make sure your simulation quality is on 5. You get it's on 5. It's on animation stable. Sorry, you have normal, we have custom. Just make sure it's on animation stable to get better animation quality. So and the next thing you do is to select record. As you can see, recording has started. So now that our animation is done recording, let me start from the beginning. Let's play this. So as you can see, this is our animation. This is our working animation. So you don't need Blender or Mixamo to go and get working animation. So just go to connect.clo-set.com and you get the animation file. Also, we have other animation file on that particular website. Some are free and some are paid, so you can just spend your time on it and create something nice. So let me stop this. Let's go to the top. You can just set your frame to, let me drag this down a bit. Yes. Okay, we can even start from frame 30. Yes. So start frame. Then we should go to simulation. Let's go to render. Sorry. Okay. While we wait for this to reload, let's go to the setting. Okay. Okay. Let me just pause this. So let's go to setting. Our height is going to be 1920, and I'm going to change from image to animation. Then region is not entire region, just play region. So it's going to start from the 30th frame to the 209th frame. So that's the play region. Since we don't want it to start from the A pose, image size, yeah. So then you can probably adjust the angle you want to take your video from, yes, depending on your choice. So let me see, let's use this. Then you can scroll to zoom closer. Scroll, yeah, sorry. I think this is fine. The next thing we are going to do is to go to our lightning. So if you don't like this lightning, you can always play around with different lightning. Come on, let me just play around with this once. So there's one thing we forgot to do. What you need to do is to go back to your image or video properties. Then you need to select a file path you want your render to be exported to. So you can create a folder, or you can use a previous folder you have that is empty, so that you can place all your render inside that inside that folder as png. So what is the coming? So instead of saving as video, you can save it as png. It's going to be saved as png since you did not take save video. You get? So I think that's all. And then you can just select this. When you select this, then you can select final render as video. So you see something here, see the number of frames here. I'm coming. So you can see we have 180 frames to go. So that's just it, and that's just how you can create a working animation without Blender or Mixamo. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell to get more video.